Good morning, everyone. Dr. Matt Finke, Doctor of Chiropractic, back with you again this week. Last week, I talked about how, as a profession, chiropractic, we were celebrating the 125th birthday of chiropractic on September 18th. Since then, a couple of things came to mind, and one of the things that I actually had forgotten about until I started seeing patients later that week was personally, I was actually celebrating my 21st year in practice. So I actually graduated from chiropractic school, Life University's College of Chiropractic in Marietta, Georgia on September 18th of the year 1999. So just to kind of prove to you, let's see, right there it is. Given this day, 18th of September, 1999. So 21 years ago on chiropractic's birthday, I celebrated 21 years of graduating, being in practice. Over the course of the next couple of days, had a couple very interesting conversations, one with a college student and one with a high school student. Also overheard a third conversation regarding chiropractic school. How long is it? What do you have to do? How does it compare to medical school? Things like that. So I thought I'd take this week and just go over some of the similarities and some of the differences between chiropractic school, earning your Doctor of Chiropractic degree, versus going through traditional allopathic medical school. So hope you enjoy. So when it comes to a chiropractic education, there's many things that go into it before starting chiropractic school, and then obviously once you're in the chiropractic school program. Depends on the state. Now, back in the mid 90s, early 90s, for me to practice in the state of Ohio, I only needed to have 2 years of undergrad study, which I completed at the Ohio State University before I entered chiropractic school. Now, the law has changed since then, and most states require a 4-year bachelor's degree before entering and starting a Doctor of Chiropractic degree. So I'm going to read a little snippet just to kind of cover the basics, then I'll show you a graph as far as a comparison from what we study compared to what a traditional medical doctor studies. So doctors of chiropractic receive more training in anatomy and physiology, while medical physicians received more training in public health. Chiropractic colleges focus on chiropractic principles, diagnosis, orthopedics, physiological therapeutics or physical therapy, different modalities that we can use in the office, and and nutrition. 3 areas: adjustive technique and spinal analysis, physical and clinical laboratory diagnosis, and diagnostic imaging, encompassing X-ray, MRI, CT scan, ultrasound, things like that, account for more than half of the education in clinical sciences for a chiropractor. During their internship, doctors of chiropractic complete 2 years of hands-on clinical experience focusing on adjustment technique as their primary treatment procedures. Studies show that chiropractic students receive more training than their medical counterparts in the following areas: anatomy, physiology, bacteriology, diagnosis, X-ray, and orthopedics. They also show that chiropractic institutions actually devote more time to the basic and clinical sciences than do medical schools. Now, this information in the table I'm going to show you, this was from a study that was done in April of 2009. It's sourced as the MAC journal, the MAC journal. The author was Ian Kotler, and the title of this article was called Chiropractic Education, a Comparison to Medical Education. So it's out there, you can look it up for yourself. What I'm going to show you next is just a chart that shows you the basic breakdown of classes and hours of a chiropractic student compared to a traditional medical student. So obviously you can see from that information, and please look it up yourself. It's out there. You can easily just do a search, chiropractic school or chiropractic versus medical doctor education. All the information's out there. But I just thought it was interesting how, again, just celebrating chiropractic's 125th birthday, me remembering 21 years ago, graduating from chiropractic school, being in practice for 20 years. Just I wanted to bring to attention and the conversations that I had in the office this week and overheard this week. So I want to share that information with you. I hope it was useful. I hope you liked it. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with somebody that you know. I'd love to hear feedback from you. If you have other questions, other topics that you'd like me to cover in these videos, that'd be great. So hope you have a great day. Enjoy it. I'll see you next week, and God bless.